The Sony FX3 didn't just enter the market, it redefined what a compact cinema camera could be. It was the little engine that could, finding its way onto big-budget Hollywood sets, high-end commercial shoots, and the hands of every ambitious creator on the planet. But time is a relentless force in the tech world. It's been years since the original FX3 took the industry by storm, and as we look at the landscape today, the competition isn't just catching up. They're knocking at the door. From Canon's latest entries to Nikon's bold moves into the cinema space, the pressure on Sony has never been higher. Everyone is asking the same question. What comes next? Is Sony about to drop a bombshell that makes the original FX3 look like a toy? The rumors are swirling, the leaks are intensifying, and today, we are diving deep into the mystery of the Sony FX3 Mark II. This isn't just another gear update. This is the future of filmmaking in the palm of your hand. Think about why the FX3 became a legend. It wasn't just about the specs on a sheet. It was about the freedom it gave us. It was the camera that stayed cool when the sun was beating down, thanks to that internal fan. It was the camera that could see in the dark, making midnight shoots look like high art. But as perfect as it seemed, we all know there were things missing. We wanted more resolution without sacrificing that low-light magic. We wanted better tools for social media's vertical world. We wanted the technology that Sony's higher-end beasts like the Burano and Venice have, but in a body we could actually carry all day. The Sony FX3 Mark II isn't just a possibility anymore. It's a necessity. And from what the whispers in the industry are suggesting, Sony isn't just iterating. They are redesigning the rules of the game. Let's talk about the heart of the beast, the sensor. This is where the real magic, or the real controversy, begins. The original FX3 thrived on its 12-megapixel sensor. It was the king of low light. But in a world where 6K and 8K are becoming the standard for professional delivery, 12 megapixels can feel limiting. The biggest rumor right now? A move to a higher resolution sensor, potentially 33 megapixels, or even a specialized 6K sensor. Now, I know what you're thinking. More pixels usually mean worse low-light performance, right? Not necessarily. Sony has been perfecting their stack sensor technology. Imagine a sensor that gives you the resolution to crop in for vertical social media content without losing quality, but still maintains that legendary clean image at high ISOs. That is the holy grail of cinematography, and it's exactly what the FX3 Mark II is aiming for. But it's not just about the pixels, it's about how they read. There is a massive buzz around the possibility of a global shutter. If Sony brings the global shutter technology from the Alpha 9 III into the cinema line, it changes everything. No more rolling shutter. No more wobbly lines when you're doing fast-paced action or panning across a city skyline. It would make the FX3 Mark II the ultimate tool for sports, music videos, and high-intensity documentaries. Even if they don't go full global shutter, the readout speeds are expected to be so fast that rolling shutter becomes a ghost of the past. Now, let's talk about something every filmmaker has been begging for: open gate recording. We are living in a multi-platform world. 1 minute you're shooting a cinematic 2.35:1 widescreen masterpiece for a client, and the next, you need a 9:16 vertical clip for Instagram and TikTok. Currently, with a standard